The front door lock switch on the Macan can be easily replaced. You just need to remove the front door panel first. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional articles and videos on front door panel removal. With the door panel removed, place it down on something clean and soft to protect it. Next, unhook the insulation from the back of the panel, red arrows. You will need to remove the door handle assembly first to access the door lock switch. With the insulation out of the way, use a T20 torque and remove the 5 screws holding the assembly in place, indicated by the red arrows. One of the screws goes through a piece of webbing and will remain in the webbing while you are working. The assembly can now be lifted out from the panel. You now have access to the switch located behind the handle assembly and indicated by the red arrow. Use a pick to help release the tab on the electrical connection and separate the connection, red arrow. There are 2 metal clips holding the switch in place, red arrows. Press these inwards and then press the switch forward and down and out from the panel. Here is what the switch looks like removed from the panel. Clean the area well before installing a new switch. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.